I start off by inserting a square shape, and then I'm gonna resize it to the size of my cardstock paper, and that's gonna be the usual size of 11 inches by 8.5 inches. Then I'm gonna insert another square, and I'm gonna make it 4.3 by 6.5. After that, I'm gonna insert a triangle shape, and I'm gonna make it as wide as this rectangle that I have, and I'm gonna align it to the bottom of it, and I aligned my triangle with the rectangle by selecting both and align bottom and align left. Now that it's in the perfect position, I select both of them and I'm gonna slice it. And now there's the banner shape, and that's how I create the banner shape. And I'm going to insert a circle, and the size of it is gonna be 0.887 inches. I line up the circles against the edge of this banner shape, and then I duplicate the circles and just kind of frame this banner. I like to bring forward the banner shape just to see how it would look like, and once it's perfect, I am going to select all the circles and I weld the circles together. Then I duplicate the bubbles and I flip the image, and now I have the same exact one on the left side. Now I weld the banner and the bubbles together, and as you can see, the top is not a straight line, so that's why I inserted that rectangle, and I'm splicing the images. So for the flower part, what I did, you could either Google this flower shape, but I ended up making my own on the computer. This one, the width of it is 2.5 and the height is 2.377. You could also make it all even, and you could just do it 2.5 as well, and it still looks good. But anyway, I uploaded this flower to Cricut Design. What I did, I made it the size I wanted it to be by going to this banner, and I just adjusted it to what it would fit. And so this is my bottom piece. This is my largest piece. And for like the large flower, you need 3 of the bottom piece, so you just duplicate, and then duplicate it again. It's on the top right corner next to the make it right here, right below it. What I did, I literally just like made it a little bit smaller, as you can see right here, and then duplicate, and you need 3 of those. And then this one, again, I go back to this one and I just kind of make it a little bit smaller and then duplicate it. This one stays. I only need 1 of those, and I need 3 more, and they're just all go smaller in sizes. My smallest size for the big flower is 1.685 by 1.602. Like I said, you could just do 1.6 if it's easier. So that's for the big flower. What I did after I got all mine down, they're right here. I click duplicate, and now that's for 2 flowers. I think it's better if you cut these and then you click cut again, and it cuts it on different paper, just so then you have them separated so you know which one is for which flower. For the small flower, what I did, I just went back to my big flower template. I went from the smallest one to the top to the 4th one, and I just copied all 4 of them and I pasted, and then I made an extra one and I made it really tiny, and that's it. You just need only 5 total petals.